I've seen this place on YouTube. My friend KG showed me. AT Trail stand. Signed my name. They've got Wi-Fi charging station. And check this out. All the ice cream options. Chocolate milk sodas, blah, blah, blah. But look. Moxie. So awesome. Alright, Mellow's first taste ever of Moxie. What did she think?
Oh.
Doesn't like it.
No, it's like a combination of orange soda and like Dr. Pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad. I could get with it.
It tastes like home. $1 Moxies. Welcome to New England. Thank you to the dude with the stand. Usually I'm just walking, thinking of something random. I'll see these signs, I'm like, yeah, okay, whatever. Then sometimes I look at the map and I'm like, oh my gosh. I just walked all the way up to Vermont. It's crazy. I'm here at Blueberry Hill by the AT. The host here just gave me some cookies, some delicious hibiscus lemonade. Got the Doge here. Don't care. Just finished it. Sorry, finished it too fast, but delicious homemade cookies. Burger, chips, this freaking thing, salad. The cookie and the lemonade's free, and then they give you a bucket.
You're gonna work for that.
A bucket of Folgers coffee. I gotta fill this up with blueberries out here in the field, right over there, in exchange for this delicious dinner. They said it takes like a half an hour. So, we'll see. All right, time to fill this up with blueberries. Oh man, that's a blurry camera. Okay, here's my blueberry plants, trees. Oh yeah, these are huge. These are big. Problem is, I'm just gonna want to eat them. That's not good. All right, clock starts now. Start my stopwatch. Well, folks, I just hit 30 minutes and we're just over halfway full. Holy crap. 30 minutes, my butt. But at least I got a system. I'm hanging them off my neck now. Oy vey. Blueberry picking up in New England, Massachusetts. All right, folks. There you have it. 45 minutes to fill up a jug of blueberries. A Folgers gallon. If I wouldn't have eaten half of them, it'd probably be a lot quicker. I just picked an entire gallon bucket of blueberries and probably ate 2 cups of blueberries. All for a dinner.